Hi guys, it's MTG here, and today I'm going to be going over some tips and tricks and hidden features for your Samsung Galaxy S9 and S9 Plus. If you have an updated S8 or Note 8, a lot of these features will apply to you as well. Let's get right into it. What I noticed with my S9 Plus is that it would vibrate excessively loud when I get notifications. Luckily, there's an easy way to alter the vibration intensity in the settings. In the settings menu, go to Sounds and Vibration, then Vibration Intensity. In here, you can change the vibration intensity for when you receive a call, get a notification, have haptic feedback, and hard press to go home. With the new S9s, you can now have a landscape home screen. To turn this on, you have to go into home screen settings by long pressing a part of the screen that doesn't have anything on it and clicking home screen settings. Here you can customize the home screen layout, and if you scroll to the bottom, you can toggle off portrait mode only, which will let you now have your home screen in landscape. Sometimes when you put a screen protector on your phone, your screen won't seem as responsive as before. You'll be able to fix this and increase the touch sensitivity by going into Settings, Advanced Features, scroll down to the bottom, and toggle on touch sensitivity. Samsung has always done a great job with their multi-window functionality, and this only becomes more seamless and smooth on the S9 Plus. To turn this feature on, go into Settings, then Advanced Features, then click Multi-Window. You can now toggle on Use Recents button, which will split the screen and automatically let you choose a second app, and you can also toggle on the multi-window gesture. This will let you swipe down from the top left to create a smaller version of that window. Now you'll be able to easily resize it by expanding the corners, and you'll even be able to minimize the window and create a little shortcut that will float around the screen. This window will be able to float on the screen while you navigate between apps. If you have two separate messaging or social media accounts that you didn't want to have to keep switching between, you can have two instances of those apps that can be logged into different accounts. To download a duplicate app, go into Settings, then Advanced Features, and scroll down to Find Dual Messenger. Here it will present the apps that you can download a duplicate of, and you can toggle any of them on to download. Now that the fingerprint sensor is an easy-to-reach location on the S9 and S9 Plus, gestures down and up to pull down and up the notification shade, and gestures to open Samsung Pay will prove to be very convenient. To turn these on, go into Settings, and again go to Advanced Features. Click Finger Sensor Gestures to toggle on the two gestures I just mentioned. The Samsung Pay gesture only works in the home screen, but the notification one works on any screen. Samsung's Bixby Vision can do cool things now like live translate and tell you the nutritional information of your food. To go to Bixby Vision, go into your camera as normal by double tapping the power button and click the little eye icon above the settings icon. Here you can try out all the different features of Bixby Vision. Many people know about the always-on display, but a lot of people don't know that you can double tap to access media controls, your calendar events, and next alarm without even unlocking your phone or activating your whole display. To turn this on, go into Settings, Lock Screen and Security, turn on Always-On Display, and click Clock and Face Widgets. Here you'll be able to customize some things, and if you click Face Widgets, you'll be able to toggle on or off the different information that will appear when you swipe left or right. A tip that I always recommend to people is to switch the orientation of the back and menu buttons. To do this, go into Settings, Display, then scroll down and click on Navigation Bar. From here, you can customize the navigation bar and most importantly, change the button layout. App pairing has been around, but with the speed improvements on the S9s, it is now pretty much seamless. You'll be able to open up two apps at a time like YouTube and Twitter, and if you wanted to, you can even add the pair to your home screen. To set up an app pair, go into your app's Edge panel, click Edit at the bottom, and then click Create App Pair. So that's all I had to talk about today. I hope this video was able to help you out. Let me know in the comment section what your favorite feature to use on Galaxy devices is. As always, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.